On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves, that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning, Otter gang. Good morning, everybody. How we all doing? Beautiful push. There's some green in the world. Holy smokes. Slurp. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you've had a beautiful morning. Bitcoin dumping last night. $65,000. We're back at 67. Can we get a little push up here? We will see. We shall see. Let's jump into the chat. Let's say good morning. What is going on, everybody? Wild times. Welcome to crypto, baby. Here we go. Let's see what we get today. Woof. Yeah, what a nasty sweep last night. Holy smokes. Anybody catch that on the way down? Whee! 2.5% rollover. Asia doing damage. I'm breaking down right now, guys. A little bit of a concern. We'll see if it does hold. That is the question. That is always the question. How's everybody doing this morning? Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. What's going on, homies and gentlemen? Ladies and gentlemen. It's only men here, guys, except for the coolest people like Alexandra G and Chantel and, Melissa and all that. Jesse, what's going on? Don't be a namby. What's going on, Jesse? How you doing, brother? Good to see you, man. Mab the Great, medium Pekka. You're doing good, man. If you got a medium Pekka, good to see you, bro. Nadeem, good to see you, BV. I mean, you started me off already with medium Pekka. Oh my God, you're corrupting me already. We haven't even said good morning to 3 people, and I'm already talking about a medium-sized pecker. Anyways, George, good to see you, man. How you doing? Mab the Great, medium Pekka, Lotus Style, Marine Mike, how you doing, bro? Morning. Coffee, early win. That's it. Hockey game was fantastic. I mean, that was, I don't care who wins. I don't want to see Mitch Marner win. That's kind of why I'm cheering for the Canes. Because he's, he, in my opinion, he did the Maple Leafs dirty. But great hockey game last night. Holy smokes. What a high intensity scoring game. It's great hockey last night. Dan, good to see you. 585. Keen Beans, son of the king. Good morning. Good to see you, Alexandra G. Oferta, Srian, what's going on, guys? Good to see you so much. Good to see you, gang. It says time on the correction, but good to see you, Srian. Thank you for always being here. Mr. Gulf Bank Morning Mambas. Let's go. Let's get it. Philly Squill. Go on, my guy. What's going on? All right. So where are we going? Burn the boats. Mr. Gulf Bank. Golf. Guys, my back is still, after all your chiropractic advice, my back is still a little tweaked. And I got golf booked for Friday. Oh, man. So can you send some back prayers? Is that, you can pray for anything, right? I'll pray for you. You pray for my back. How about that? Daniel, good to see you. Lotus Style. Ashunts, good morning, man. Good to see you guys. How you doing? Proof of work. And Chantel. There's Chantel. We love Chantel here. Oh, Solana. I bought Solana yesterday. $76. I'm still underwater on that purchase. Only 3K though. Only 3K. I'm still laddering in. But damn. $72 Solana. What a steal. Can we get going? Doesn't look like it. NASDAQ though. Fuck. Anybody? Anybody want some NASDAQ right now? In my opinion, this is ridiculous. Getting a little bit, I mean, look at this. Go on your daily. It is just vertical, guys. Yeah, I know my chart looks like an Etch-a-Sketch, but get out of here, okay? Get out of here. Get the out of here. All right. Above VWAP, looking for longs coming into this lower region here. I would have loved to see the SFP this morning, guys, like taking it this high. We have a first real structure change here. However, the way we've come out, I don't like it. You guys know me. Imbalance. So, I mean, very aggressive V shape here, holding key level of support. I would think we need to come into here. Unfortunately. Or fortunately, depending on how you look at it. Lower the better. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Like to see what's going on, everybody. Good morning. Curtis Hillman. Good morning to you, bro. Milan. Seymour. How you doing, bro? Jesse. Trace. Crypto Jung. What's going on, bro? Good to see you, man. How you doing? Or Hung. We like calling him Crypto Hung. Because, you know. Power. Speaking about powers, what superpowers did you guys want this morning? You guys all want to IQ 160? Yeah. Are you guys all just like dumbasses or something? Like I think you're all like, I would like to think my audience is smart. What is like above average IQ? We've done this before. What's a high IQ? I would say I'm probably 130 or above. 160 is exceptionally to profoundly gifted. Okay. 160. Genius levels, 160 plus. Okay, so you're a genius, whatever. Highly gifted is 145 to 160. Moderately gifted, high IQ is. So a high IQ is around 130, like high. 115 to 120 is above average. I would say I'm about 114 then. I'm just below above average. I like being there. I like being amongst the plebs. I don't think you have to be smart to be a good trader. I think there's a lot more well, you see a lot of doctors and lawyers and stuff, and they try to become day traders. Ooh. I see a lot of surprisingly enough, a lot of my construction homies, they're doing all right. Back pain is more motivational than, paper cuts. I'll put you that way. Bearded Mac, good to see you, bro. How you doing? God bless you. Thank you for being here, Jim. Eric, Cubanadian. Good to see you guys. Pilly. How you doing, Jay Becker? Buck. How you doing, Buck? Catching the alligators lately? Nice order block. I want to get Short. Pump it. Let's go, Curtis. I mean, we need to come. You would think it needs to come into here. We have volume support in here and down here, but you think it needs to come down here. We'll see. Losing uptrending momentum right now. Not a very concise momentum line. Okay, this is almost like this is trickery. Losing the lows, rotation down into VWAP. Not looking that hot right now. Look at Solana needs to come back here. We'll see. All you exceptionally smart people. Aaron, good to see you. Save the Republic. Rich, how you doing, bro? Daniel, Hoto, how you doing? Keen Bean, good to see you guys. Like it up, Chuck Berries. Let's go. Chuck Berries, like my spirit animal. Jesse Hullock, doing great, brother. Hope Baby Otter is doing better. He's a little bit out of sorts, you know. We didn't want to give him all the Benadryl and all that shit, but I mean, you have to. He's having a allergic reaction, but yesterday he's like really out of sorts. He's like really hyper, wouldn't nap well. What's up, Al? You buying this crash? Yeah, man, absolutely. I bought some Solana yesterday. Not like full on. I mean, I'll average in. What's going on? Juan Carlos Gonzalez Carrero. It's the most beautifulest name I've ever seen, man. Jam, good to see you. I would include that whole name. What's going on, Mr. Kemp? Don't make me call you Kempe. Knights are going to be the champs. We'll see, man. What's the plan for today? We'll go over it. Right now we're rotating down, coming into VWAP. We'll see how we behave down here. Imbalance, so a little bit of a higher low right now coming in. Golden pocket tap right now, I bet. Yeah, so we'll see. Not really interested in here. I want to see lower. Order block here. Golden pocket here. So I'm looking for price to like maybe sweep the low here. Reclaim VWAP. Or down has been good play all week long. All week long. What's going on, Emmett? Good to see you. Why Crypto? Jules. Decent Crypto. Marine Mike. Good to see you. Cool Mar. Decent Crypto. Jason. Jojo. Mojo. Jojo. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Lotus Style. Ben Kelly. Dusty. How you doing, Dusty? God bless you, man. I like the break, though. I do like that we have, broken here. So now it's like, okay, where's our higher low coming in? How can we get there? Where are we going? Right? Like, if we're looking at this generally, like, tells me we need to come back here minimum. Right back in here, I would say. But we'll see. It looks like it wants to roll over. I don't want to fight it. I don't want to get married to a long either. We took we took the only long available in the whole trading day yesterday, I believe. We took that one slap right here. Boop. Something like that. Was that live? No, that was right here. We took this one long, didn't we? We took that long for $1,000 on the live stream yesterday. That's hilarious. Here we come down into VWAP here. Rotation down. Do we have news today? I think we do. I think we do have news today. Let me come into VWAP right now. I'm not really interested in a VWAP slap. We have ISM. Why does my chart keep doing that? ISM. Why is it jumping all over the place? I'm gonna get rid of you. Save and close. I'm gonna load a new one. Being all such a namby-pamby this morning. Bunch y'all short. Leeches, man. Work wonders. I gotta get leeches. Okay. What's going on, Keen Bean? Good to see you, Jesse. Coming into VWAP here. No trade. We do have ISM services PMI today. 10 o'clock, of course. Fireworks at 10. Always fireworks at 10. Good times. Power is a good place to invest right now. Sweet, man. Dusty, Ben Kelly, good to see you. Pie, Long. Bunch of y'all long caught the lows. Good morning, Duality. How you doing, bro? Crayon eaters everywhere. What's an IQ? I'm 134. Let's go, Ben Kelly. You're a smart man. High IQ, overthink. I prefer looking in the future as a superpower. Well, don't we all? Paper cuts hurt too. Okay, R. Good to see you, man. I'll take smart street smarts over IQ. Yeah, I agree. I agree. It's funny, like, my wife is very smart, but I grew up like in Toronto on the streets like every day, right? So I mean, you naturally know what you're looking at all the time in a city of 7 million people and you're downtown. As a kid, it's just embedded in you. You can't not you can't unlearn it, right? I think that's going to be one of the hardest things for me as a father is like introducing my son to some kind of, how do you inflict struggle without hurting your child? It's just, there has to be some sort of way of doing it. You don't want him to suffer, but you also don't want him to be a little bitch. It's a hard job as a father. It's a balance, right? You want to show him unconditional love, but you also want to be like, hey, man, don't be a bitch. It's something I struggle with. And I mean, my son's he's not even 2 yet, guys, but at least I'm considering it now, right? What's going on, Trenchy? Good to see you, bro. Curtis Hill, Keen Bean. Good to see you. Jesse Patillion, good morning. Chicken, what's going on, bro? Chicken's a friend from high school. We can't put the kids through what we went through, right, Chicken? We can't put them through that shit, but it's like, what do we do, man? I grew up with Chicken. He knows. We try to provide them with a good life, but we can't be sheltered little, It's weird. Iran fired back. Sweet, man. No VWAP slap. Turn down that indicator. Turn that indicator off for the short. Okay. You're going right through it, Akeem Bean. You just made it disappear. Perfect, man. I smirt. Yeah. What's going on, Eero? Good to see you, man. How you doing? No, we can't. No, we can do that. Oh, no, bro. Oh, no, man. Fifth Side Road. Shenanigans, bro. Good times. Charity work. Tricky. Good to see you guys. Queen Street special, man. Yeah, that's where I grew up. Queen and Broadview, Toronto, in the 90s. It's Queen and Broadview was really cool. We had in the city, there's 4 corners. You had the Real Jerk. You had the Real Jerk here. It's like the best jerk chicken in all of Toronto. Then you had Jilly's. Jilly's was like a very rundown strip club. Girls, fun. Then no, sorry. Real Jerk was over here. 7-Eleven, Jilly's. And then you had and I lived over here. I lived by the Opera House on Lewis Street. This was like just regular shops in here. Convenience stores and shit. And I had to walk to school this way. And every morning, I'd be like 10 years old. Every morning there's a fire escape on the side of Jilly's, and there'd be these hookers. And I'd be walking to school, and I think they'd be up all night, and they'd be, the things you would see as a kid. Good times, man. Good times. Into VWAP here. Rotation down. Nice roll over here into the imbalance. I still think we need to come into this block here. A little pushback retest to previous lows. Still waiting right now. That neighborhood's all fancy now, though. All fancy. Holding VWAP. They've renamed it Riverside now. It's like, oh, whatever. It ain't fancy. It's just prime real estate. That's all it is. Nice bounce here. Retest to previous lows, continuation down. I still think this needs to come lower, guys. Shorts potentially here. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 236 people here on the live stream. How much did they charge me? I don't know. That's Keyboard Warriors. Yeah, that's it. Keyboard Warriors. I mean, I got picked on because I was smaller, but I would punch you right in the face. Like I like to scrap. I was in a good. I mean, you kind of had to stand your ground in Toronto. But that was just part of it. Like you'd scrap and you'd shake hands after, kind of deal. Like it's weird. It's weird. Spaghetti fingers is amazing power. It is. Have you ever heard the Dane Cook? You know, just like, imagine you just walk up to someone and just go, and you just like, Or if you're hungry, you could just like, right? Spaghetti fingers. Exactly. If you got into a fight, you just be like, shut up. You'd be like that. You'd be like the Emperor on Star Wars, except instead of lightning, you got spaghetti, right? Just bury them in spaghetti. Right? I'm always hungry. What's going on, Horace? Good to see you. How you doing, brother? I don't know why you don't want to be able. I would go with the strong too. The strong would be funny, man. You'd enter like weightlifting competitions and you just like use a quarter more of your powers. Right? What would you do with 2x strength, man? You knock people out with flicking them. Right? I just become like I'd probably become like a major league pitcher and I'd be a closer. Right? I'd be a closer, so I didn't have to work that much. You know, 1 inning a night. I'd throw a 110-mile-an-hour fastball. I'd just give it a little extra juice, right? This kid's got a rubber arm. Make a, $200 million a year, right? The best closer in baseball. A little bit of extra sauce on it every time. I don't know. That's a little. Because I could throw. Nowadays, I'd probably throw like low 70s. I could throw mid 80s when I was like 18, 19. I had a pretty decent arm as a kid. But my shoulder, my rotator cuff's gone now. It's absolutely bollocks. Like I'd play 3-bag all the time, so. Jeff Hoffman, let's not fucking talk about that, bro. Why are you going there? We should have won. Don't go there, bro. Don't go there. The wounds are still fresh, man. If you don't know, it's the Toronto Blue Jays fucking through the game. Through the game. Why would you go there? You hurt my feelings. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to think, 10 seconds to think about what you did. All right, so let's take a look here, guys. So down we go, Geronimo. Bitcoin going to zero. Everybody's puckered. Whatever. I mean, this is a nice rollover. Let's be real. Come on. We all wish we caught the short. And guess what? AlexOCrypto did give the short from like here, right here. What is going on with my charts today? Holy smokes. Stop snapping back. Sorry. So we gave the short from up here. Looking for bottoming structure. Okay, can we get there? I don't think so. Right now, this is like relief hopium, right? Looking to push back here. Just continuing to bleed out and sell off, right? NASDAQ, all-time highs. Anytime the NASDAQ rotates down, Bitcoin dies. Okay, SPY holding the highs here, but the ES, big old liquidity sweep, consolidating, continuing, okay? When looking at Bitcoin here, what I would like to see is relief. However, we're not there yet. So sweeping down, golden pocket, 786 bounce right now, leaving imbalance behind. So whenever you get violence like this, you're typically looking for that retracement in here. I would prefer the best trade setup, I think, today would be the SFP of the high and then a dump. Just saying. However, we are getting a little bit of a pushback off of the VWAP, weirdly enough. Holding. Okay. Now, market cipher. My God. Okay. It's hard for me to be positive here, which is a good thing, right? Because if my sentiment's like this thing's a piece of trash, we can actually make some, contrarian decisions about it. So if I think it's a piece of trash and you think it's a piece of trash and we all think it's going to go to zero, well, then maybe we have something like this that can push back and squeeze some of the shorts. Order block tap. Okay. Potential for that. But when we look at market cipher, there's really no hopium until we get down into like the 1 hour. This is our first real structure change that we've had on a 15-minute time frame. If we go in here, this is our first 15-minute time frame. Higher high. Okay. First time in ever. Lower lows, lower highs. Okay. So there's potential here. Needs to get going though, really. Coming for the liquidity here and the liquidity here. So sweep and dump. Highly would love that, but we'll see. A lot of the altcoins, especially like Solana, we're at our lows of the lows. So trying to hold on for dear life. Same with Bitcoin. When we look at market cipher, it's all anchor waves to the lows, right? So anchor waves, anchor waves, anchor waves met with rejection, met with rejection, met with rejection. Okay, so no real sign of letting up. This is considered a downtrend on market cipher. Money is red. Okay, so any retest is meant for shorting. Understand that. So when you look at a 1 hour, here's the hopium. Okay, so 1 hour bottoming structure, 3 drives to the lows. Okay, into the point of control. When we zoom out, higher high, higher low, anchor trigger wave continuation out potentially. Okay, so that's the hopium here. Coming back for imbalance up at the highs, right? Trying to target back into here, only to sell it back down again. Okay, so be aware of that. I'm sorry about your short and that VWAP getting in your way. I can take it off the chart if you want me to. There you go. Maybe that'll help you on your short. Okay, so not married to the longs, not married to the shorts. Really just range bound. When we zoom out on the daily here and we take a look, where are we at? What are we looking for? right? It's very clear that we are back at the point of the control. Okay, this is where the buyers and sellers are highly agreeable to exchange the price. Okay, 66,700. So if we hold that, we look to rotate up. But this is a very, very choppy area here. We can live in this area for quite some time. So be prepared for that. Needs to get. I mean, we've dropped from 70,000 very aggressively. So any sort of relief should be we should be looking for higher term time frame lows to be established. If we're looking for any sort of bounce, this is just okay. So if this, then that, trying to hold on to here. If we start to roll over, we look to come for this low first target, right? We've taken this low right here. Very good. Okay. Oops, wrong tool. Very good. That was last night. So can we bounce and can we continue? As an intraday scalper, like for me, it's like, okay, we're back into a choppy area. So like I must adjust to that idea, right? And look at the price action, very choppy. Then sporadic, choppy, sporadic, right? Choppy, poppy, right? So that's the nature of the beast right now. Everybody's puckered. Everybody's a little bit, oh my God, we're going to zero. BS, whatever. For me, it's just remaining aware that we are range bound. We're developing a range, buy low, sell high. So if we're doing that, we can use like a fixed range volume profile tool. We can see that, hey man, as long as we're above point of control here, 67, we're bullish and we're looking to rotate to the top of the range. Where's the top of the range? I would say here. So this would be our premium. This would be our discount. This would be our hot dog. Okay, so can we get going? Or are we going to get rejected right now off of this point of control and down we go to that area down here? I would prefer this one if I'm being honest. But it depends on price action, right? So if this, then that. Showing you the trades, taking the trades. We're doing a $1,500 giveaway today as well. I did really well yesterday, $3,000 or something. Account's already at 40,800. We've been crushing it. I'm really, really happy with the trades so far. Did like 3.5 yesterday. 8,000 on Monday. So we're up, 12,000 for the week. We lost 4,000 last week, guys. So give me a break, okay? 20,000 the week before that, minus 4,000 last week, and now we're up 13,000 this week, okay? Trading ebbs and flows. That's the life, okay? However, forever grateful to you guys for being here and hanging out. We're doing the giveaway Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, $1,500. Use the Bitunix link, deposit, support the channel that way. VIP3, awesome deal for you guys. You can sign up there, and it helps the channel, and you get entered for the giveaway by depositing or trading, which is awesome. So win-win both ways. So what am I looking for today? I'm looking for rotation and liquidity grab if we start pumping. Coming for these guys up in here, order block up in here. If we fail to do so, if we sweep the highs and we get rejected, I would look for rotation back into here for potential bottoming structure and bounces. I would look for shorts down to come and get what? 64,900. Okay, we've taken this low. We'll see if we come for the other low. Trying to hold this. This is a point of control, so that means that price is going to be very choppy. I should be prepared for a choppy day, right? Look at yesterday, right? We rolled over and then we just chopped in here, wrecking bulls and bears. Okay, so either way, we're prepared. We'll see what today brings. I'm excited. I'm always excited, man. I love trading, and I'm very grateful that you guys are here. 270 people here talking shit and taking trades, man. Thank you guys for smashing those likes and hanging out. We'll see where we get to today. BWAP holding into resistance. Can it go down or up, or we'll see. I don't like the way it came down into VWAP after mitigating this low into that point of control locally. So can we come back down into here? We'll see. I prefer this to come into here, right? Because we've pushed up so aggressively in this area in here, I would like to see bottoming structure form in here. This is just this is just a trap in my opinion. Whenever you get sideways price action like this and you've moved up so aggressively like this, I look for this. I look for this. That's just how I am. Unless you want to treat it like a range and buy low and sell high, which is not bad. Not bad, but it's not something that I'm particularly interested. VWAP seems to be doing its job really well today. It held price down. We flipped aggressively through it. We pushed back. We retested it. We pushed back. We retested it. We pushed back. So VWAP is doing a pretty good job today. We'll see how it continues to hold price here. Solana, I'm very skeptical about trading Solana right now. It has absolutely got decimated. So I'm going to focus mainly on Bitcoin today. And hopefully we can make some moolah. Taking the trades, showing the trades on a daily basis. This is just how we roll, man. So thank you for being here. And we'll see what we get today. What's going on? The only thing I do require you to say is good morning. Don't be a weirdo. Okay? Japan, Canada, and the U.S. for baseball. Canada into baseball? Yeah, Canada loves baseball, man. We love baseball. Baseball's pretty big. I played Team Ontario call-up, and I was a Team Toronto baseball player. So, like, you have, like, House League, then you have Rep, then you have Team Toronto, and then you have Team Ontario, and then you have Team Canada. Those are the kind of levels of baseball as a kid. So I played Team Toronto, which was pretty awesome. Like, Toronto's highly competitive sports. So I mean, I also played East York baseball, Stan Wadlow. So I played rep ball, and then you'd play Team Toronto ball whenever you had Team Toronto games, and then call up every now and then for Team Ontario, which was pretty sweet, man. I was sponsored by a guy named Rob Butler. He played for the Blue Jays. Rob Butler played for the Blue Jays. I was poor, right? So he has his own Rob Butler baseball. And he has like a full facility where you would go and play all the time. His camp, he would sponsor me for the camp. Actually, my Heart of the Hide Golden Glove Edition, it was like a $600 glove. He gave it to me, right? He gave me the glove. You know, it's crazy. We used to go to this camp, Stan Wadlow. Good fun, man. This was the camp we used to train at, indoor, and lots of fun, man. Lots of fun. Some of my best memories as a kid. I still got the glove. Pretty cool. But he sponsored me because my mom's didn't have that much money. So it's pretty sweet. Good times. My mom had no money. Let's be real. BTC tanking. Let's go. You lost your house using leverage? I hope not, man. Good morning. Good to see you. Batty, good to see you, Chris. How you doing, DC Crypto? Good morning, Wemba. Good morning, bro. Knicks tonight. Let's see. You saw bin chicken at the beach today? I've been chicking you out. That's what's... Man, those ibis are scary. First time I seen one, I was like, what the... If you don't join the Discord, you will become poor people. Dusty, do you want a raise? I love you, man. Home on the range. Volume up? Yeah. My volume's good. I know that. I can see it. I was singing the Little One nursery rhyme that same day. Awesome. Bitcoin is 75,000 today? Oh, that's hopeful. Aussies love cricket, yeah. Aussie rules football. The Sydney Swans. The Sydney Swans. One of my friends in Australia, when we lived there, tried to take me to a Swans game. They're just like 6'8" big men punching a football, running up and down. They're huge, though. Then the Kiwis come and play. I didn't get to go see an Aussie rules game when I lived there. unfortunately. But I played regular football or regular rugby. Rugby's huge in Canada too. I played regular. I was a winger and a hooker. Good times, man. I would wreck some kids. I was small, but I was quick. Kendall going to flip. And I still got the glove. Yeah, man. Headed to Boston next week to catch a game. Nice. I've never been to Fenway, man. I've never been. Yeah, I was a hooker. I played hooker. When they're scrumming, you got all the dudes pulling each other's nuts in the scrum. Right? You got all the guys here and all the guys here. Here's their heads. And then you got all the guys here. Here's their heads. I was the little hooker man. I come in with my hooker and I get the ball. I get the ball, man. I get the ball. I come in. I grab the ball. I throw the ball to the winger. I grab the ball. And I go. And I'd throw it. And I'd hit the winger. And we would ruck over, scrum. Good times. Good times. Hooker is critical, man. Hooker, I mean, you got your backs if you ain't your front row hooker, I get mangled though. Kick that ball, man. You live down the street from Fenway. I've always wanted to go to Fenway and pee in the troughs. I was a front row hooker, yeah, man. What's up, Randy? We're here talking about hookers in rugby. Okay, in rugby, it's actually a position in rugby called hooker. Rotation down. You're looking at more flights. Where are you flying? I gotta potentially go back and visit the grandparents. I miss them. I might go visit them in August. And then I'm going to England for a wedding in October. What a horrible month to go to England. I mean, maybe not. The fall is actually kind of pretty in England. And it's not bloody hot, It's not hot. Bloody hot. Consolidation here. No real direction bias. Okay. NASDAQ rotation. My trading view keeps snapping around like weirdly. Is my mouse clicking something or? So you don't like. So the biggest thing for me right now, when I looked at price action this morning, do you ever go to? Sometimes you just gotta go and it's like, put a 1 for buy, put a 1 for long, put a 2 for short, right? You got to ask yourself that. Okay, this is something you should do every morning. In the chat, 1 for long, 2 for short. Okay. We all got our votes in. 1 for long, 2 for short. Okay. 3 for hands, right? Now, do it again. 1 for long, 2 for short. Right? This is so ugly right in here. Right? Now do it again. Okay. You got your bias. Now, what's contrarian to that, right? When I look at this chart, the biggest thing that stands out to me is that you got 3 drives here. That's the biggest thing that stands out to me right now. And you have an order block down here. That's the biggest thing that stands out to me on this chart. And then liquidity obviously above. Okay. So these are the things that I see, right? So for me, it's like, can we sweep and go? Right? Can we break, retest, hold, and go? Right? Coming back for all of this. Right? Or do we fail here? Sweep the high, fail. That would be I think that would be the prettiest. Lower high and dump. That would be the prettiest move. If I was to like want something to happen, I would love to short right here and come down and take this low right here at 65. We took one of the lows, but there's still another low to be mitigated because there's liquidity that we identified this morning, right? However, we know we're at a point of control. We know that we're in a very high volume area, right? The big point of control volume level in here. Pew, right? So chop in here, treat it like a range, buy low, sell high. Low, high, right? And now we go into the micro penis time frame, right? But that allows me to like visualize where we can go and where the liquidity resides, where my key levels are, where I can make money off of this thing, right? It also gives me a perspective where I don't think like retail. You think you want to be contrarian to retail, or you want to participate with the market maker as best as possible. Holding WAP here. High or low. Didn't even retest that high. Unmitigated high. You guys are all gig along. This is no trade zone for me. Trend is your friend. Well, down, yes, but we have mitigated the high here, LBC. So what does that tell me, right? That tells me I can generally look for a higher low in here. So in a sticky situation, especially with the exhaustion and the lows here, right? Nice push. See if we get going. Local 786 bounce. Yeah. We're 786 VWAP bounce here. Holding this low here. We do have volume resistance in here that we found, right? So if we pull this, volume resistance coming into here. Locally, it's not like major, but locally we do have volume resistance here, right? We have like lows lost here, so this will be. So patience here. We do have W bottom here, so little bit of patience, guys. No trade right now. Still waiting. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 333. What's going on? 98 likes. $1,500 giveaway today. That should be good. Hopefully you all win. Supporting the channel, hanging out here. Thank you for signing up. No trades today. Not yet. Oh, my son just got up. Have a beautiful morning, everybody. You too, Randy. Take care. Murray Mike, NQ drop. Yeah, we can see the rollover. This keeps changing. My NQ chart keeps changing. ES as well. The relationship is really weak though lately. You can tell. Decoupling. Is that the word we use? Decouple. Oil back on the rise above 92. Not good. Yeah, this keeps fucking up, man. Sorry, guys. Sorry for swearing. Why does my NASDAQ keep... all my charts. The app is acting up. Bitcoin holding here. Yeah, see, like this, is this worth the squeeze, guys? 0.5%, and it's just like yo-yo, right? Yo. Still waiting. It's coffee time anyways. VWAP long. Give it the VWAP slap. Gang. Coffee in the chat.
Making crypto honest again. Hey. Give it the VWAP slap. Slap it. Hit the pink box. Make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap. Slap it. Trade the buns. Don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits. Take the money and run. Base hits. Now the friction's gone. Wait for the SFP. Sweep the lows and go golden pocket bounce. Let the money flow. Hit the outer block, avoid the dark mall wick. Stop loss to entry, don't be a dick for a tick. Archetype for printing. The outer gang is winning. Give it the VWAP slap. Slap it, hit the pink box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap. Slap it, trade the bonds, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Don't be a namby-pamby, push it, get out of your wanking chariot. Let's go, don't be a douche canoe, manage your risk. Drop at the top, stop at the top, wait for the flip. Push it, slap it, one pick. Give it the VWAP slap, slap it, pump it, hit the big box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap, slap it, trade the buns, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Taking the Give it the VWAP slap. Slap it, hit the pink box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap. Slap it, trade the buns, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Wait for the SFP, sweep the lows and go golden pocket bounce. Let the money flow. Hit the outer block, avoid the dark mall wick. Stop loss to entry, don't be a dick for a tick. Archetype for printing. The outer gang is winning. Give it the VWAP slap. Slap it, hit the pink box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap. Slap it, trade the bonds, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Don't be a namby-pamby bullshit. Get out of your wanking chariot. Let's go. Don't be a douche canoe. Manage your wrist. Trap at the top. Stop at the top. Wait for the flip. Push it. Slap it. Pump it. Give it the VWAP slap. Slap it. Pump it. Hit the pink box. Make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap. Slap it. Trade the buns. Don't get chopped at the top.
The wanking chariot, bro. That's what you're sitting on right now. Look at the crusty ass teeth. The wanking chariot. That's what we call your desk. That's your desk chair, bro. It's called a wanking chariot. I don't know. I had a foreman when I was younger. He used to say, "Get out of your." Whenever you're late for work, he'd say, "You didn't get out of your wanking chariot early enough to get to work on time." He used to always say that to people who were late. Get out of your wanking chariot and get to work on time. It's like, oh. So now it's just stuck, you know. Now I'm telling you guys, you know, get out of your wanking chariot and get to your charts and kick some ass, man. The coffee sucks today, man. I don't know if I can take a trade with shitty coffee. It's nutty, Basil. It's bloody nutty. Tastes like shit, Basil. That's because it is shit, Austin. That's what coffee tastes like today. It's weird. Normally I'm on point with the coffee. Weakness in the NAS and in the ES here. And oil rising. Interesting. We'll see. We'll see. My coffee is amazeballs. Only 114 likes. Come on, y'all. What's going on, 8 Ace? Good to see you. Breakfast in Discord. Let's go. Good pushback here. Can Solana get going? Into resistance here. Standard deviation 1. Retest to previous lows. We'll see where we get to today. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel, hanging out. I do appreciate you guys being here. Good times, man. There's that coffee long. GG's on your coffee long. Still no trades. Still waiting, taking the trades, showing the trades. 40,800. No trades right now. Still waiting. Did about three and a half yesterday. 3,500. So pretty good trading week so far. Up 11,000 this week already. 2 days. So good times. Into that volume resistance we talked about locally right now. So we'll see if that's going to hold price down. Pretty choppy. Don't really like price action right now. Looking to hold VWAP and continuation up. However, I would like to see it come back down to 66,000 region. We'll see. Pretty much range bound right here. Diddle in the middle. If you want to diddle in the middle, you can. I would suggest not, but you guys do whatever you want. This is never financial advice. We're just some hobbit in Canada living in the mountains, clicking buttons with a polar bear in his backyard with his ledger up its butt. That's how we hang out here, guys. Taking the trades, showing the trades here from 8 a.m. till 10:15 every day. We're doing a $1,500 giveaway today on Bitunix. If you sign up with the link, you can sign up there, or you don't need to. We also have a summer sale going on for everybody who wants to join the Discord and find out what it's all about. It's the best Discord in all of crypto. Look at where that was yesterday. Look at how far away it is from price action. Oh man. $20 off. AlexOCrypto.com. Use the code vanilla. Okay? It's a summer sale. Enjoy. Otherwise, you can do whatever you want. Follow through here, trying to push. Engulfing candle with a little bit of exhaustion, trying to get going here. Still waiting. No signs of strength. Nice pushback, but look at how aggressive the dumps have been. So, to me, this is, for looking locally, this is rising wedge G territory into drop, so be aware of that. Into resistance right now. Still no trade. I prefer the short here. Something like that. But you guys do what you want. No trade right now. Still waiting. We do have ISM services coming in today on the some more Fugazi numbers, so be aware. 10 a.m. Okay. Be aware of that. We'll be here to bring it in with you guys anyways. And on market open. The big doozy is Friday. We got non-farm and unemployment rate, so be prepared. Stuck in my head now. You guys corrupted me. Take the money and run. I got 0 maker and taker fees on a few tokens on Bitunix. Nice. I preferred boobs. Okay. Keep profits good? Yeah. Didn't you open along? No, it's just it's a coffee joke. It's like, there's been a couple times where I've gone for a coffee and I was like, I would long here, and I go for the coffee and it's like a $5,000 trade. So it's now a thing here. I didn't make it up. It just happens to be a thing on the channel, the coffee long. Good morning, Otter Clan. Lava Man, good to see you. Magic Mike. Good day, Lewis. Good to see you, man. Daniel, how you doing? Good morning. Holy balls, Alexandra G. All homemade. What are we making? Berries in the Discord? Oh man, Dusty. Dusty's got the honey oats and yogurt, the homegrown berries. Look at the size of those blueberries, man. They're bigger than my right nut. Look at that. Look at that. Living the dream, Dusty. When I grow up. How's your back? Golfing? My back? I must have. It's still a little bit bugged right now. I shouldn't have been throwing my son in the air yesterday. I mean, it still hurts, but I'm golfing Friday. Whatever, I'll figure it out. Advil and go. Golfing Friday. I'll have some pictures for you guys. It's a gorgeous course I'm going to play. Really excited. It's way too expensive, but hey ho. YOLO. YOLO the golf course. I'm moving in less than, holy shit. In 9 days. I take possession of my first house in my life. Fucking house. I can't believe it, man. Day trading. Buying a house. Anyways, wild. So I'll be moving not out of the mountains, but away from certain mountains. So I'm trying to play all the nice courses around this area before I leave. Because then it's like a little bit more of a drive or a hike to get out here. So exciting times, man. Living the Canadian dream. That's it, man. Midol's better than Advil. Wait, is that why you gave him the right nut? Because it's small and ugly? Well, one's smaller than the other naturally, Dave. So, you know, if you're going to sacrifice one of the children, right, you got to give up the weak and smaller one, naturally, right? All your dreams are coming true. Well, like, you tell me this 7-8 years ago. I was partying. Man, TradingView's on one today. I was partying. I was single. And now I'm married. I have a son, and I'm buying a house. Things can change really quickly, guys. I traveled the world. I did a full lap. If this is our globe, and we got America, and we got Australia, and we got Europe, and we got UK. I went from Toronto all the way, drove across the whole country, 50-day road trip, then flew to England, lived in England for 2 years, lived in Scotland for a year, went to Portugal, went to Greece, then I came back to England, then I flew all the way down. I forgot Africa in there. Sorry, guys. Does Africa even count? Sorry, I don't mean to be rude. Lived in Australia for a year. Then I worked as a carpenter there. Started the channel there. Then flew all the way back to Toronto. Lived in Toronto. Took care of my grandparents for a couple of years. And now I live in Western Canada. That was like my last 7 years, man, since meeting my wife. Been a pretty wild adventure. Very grateful. Carpenter traveling the world. It's actually not hard to travel the world as a tradesman. It's really easy getting work, as long as you're not a namby-pamby and you know what to do. It was a bit weird going from metric or imperial to metric. I mean, when I lay out and measure in inches and feet, and then all of a sudden I got to use mils, it was a little bit of a learning curve. I mean, you mark out 450s instead of 16 on center, which is really weird. Someone asked me for the 1200, and I didn't know what the hell they were talking about, and that's the 4-foot level. Absolutely weird. But, you know, you make the adjustments. When Lambo video? I'm more of a Ferrari guy. Come on, I'm Italian. I'll take partying over golf all day. Golf is for my mind more than, you know, I played a lot of sports, but golf is me, a golf cart, Mother Nature, and 4 hours of quiet. And hopefully I don't get paired with a Karen, right? Golf is kind of like my piece of the week. You know, it's like where I get to go and every guy needs that. Where it's either that or it's building something in the garage or whatever, right? Like there's been trying to show little man little projects with little man. That's been fun. Yeah, starting the channel in Australia. Yeah, we did. I mean, the internet's so bad in Australia. It's like, it's no joke, guys. You drive half an hour outside of any of the cities in Australia, no internet. Like, it's one bar. It's fucked up. Even in Sydney. It's so messed up. The internet's so messed in Sydney. But yeah. My wife used to stand on the balcony. The joke was my wife would stand in the crane position with the router in the air while I streamed when we lived in Australia. We got 15 minutes till market opens. Chop continuation here. Retest backing. Trying to push through this volume resistance that we identified this morning. No trade yet. VWAP holding. Trend is still up. We still got a series of higher lows. Okay. Trying to go. My issue with the price action right now, we got 3 drives up at the highs here. So 3 drives here, right? The break, the retest, golden pocket. This typically expectational order flow is like this, guys. So the only thing that negates that is the fact that we broke the high here. So on the higher term time frames, we have high, low, high, right? So we are looking for higher, low continuation, right? So the higher term time frames, I am looking for this guy, but I would like it down here. Do we understand that? It's all fine and dandy to trade the 3-minute, but it's definitely a privilege to zoom in. Okay, it's definitely a privilege. If you don't know what this looks like, you shouldn't be trading the 3-minute. If you don't know what this looks like, you shouldn't be trading the 3-minute. If you don't know what this looks like, you should not be trading the 3-minute, right? Time frames are important. Bias is important. Narrative, trend on different tokens, very important. You guys all talking about liquidity. Trenchy. Yeah, that's a lot of short liquidation to come and grab. Interesting on Solana there. Trenchy, you think they're coming down here? 73? 73? 74? Before they pump it? Be interesting. We'll see, man. Discord's on fire. Discord is absolutely just constant alpha in the Discord. 8 traders. I can't even keep up with it. Live trading, updates today, do lessons today. Continuation up here, trying to push through. Let's see if we can push through here. Gotta go. Did you meet my wife in Australia? No, I met my wife downtown Toronto. She was on a vacation. She's British. She kept pushing the mattress on my head. Yeah, so true. Yeah, I picked up my wife downtown Toronto. I can't say I picked her up. I took her out on the night with her and her friend. Me and the boys were running downtown Toronto, King Street, man. And the rest is history. We didn't start dating till 2 years after that. But I hollered at a hot chick downtown Toronto, and Took her out on the night. That's how I met Mrs. Otter. Pretty wild story. She's writing a book about it, of how we met kind of deal. Good morning, Otter Gang. Good to see you, Health. Good to see you, Dusty. Good push here. Corded, yeah. That's exactly what I did. Picked up some soul. Spot on soul. Nice. 72. I got 76 last night or yesterday. What's up, Crypto Crank brother? Ooh. What's going on, bro? How you doing, man? The Cranksters, man, in the Coliseum. You guys all following Crypto Crank, man? You guys better be hanging out with Crypto Crank in the evening, man. I come to bless his stream. I don't know. I come and talk shit, man. Make sure you follow Crypto Crank. I did take her swimming. Our first date, I did take her to the beach. I got the picture right here. Right here. I don't want to show you guys. There's a picture of our first date. I'd show you, but I'd have to kill you. That's for my eyes only. My wife's in a bikini. You guys can F right off. That's Dave Digital. I am absolutely punching. Damn. Who doesn't like a smile on a man's face when we go wake up, go to click buttons, and you get to look at that. Woof. Good morning. I gotta go and I'm gonna go and make another baby. I'll see you guys later. Have a wonderful day. And believe me, I was a brokey when I met her. I was a brokey. It wasn't for the money, okay? We Oh man. Good times. Thank you for being here, everybody. 350 people here. 137 likes. If you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, we'll see where we get to today. Bitcoin's a little bit slow. Slowly climbing. VWAP holding, pushing up here. No trade. Still waiting. Coming into downtrending resistance. We'll see. I prefer sweep of the high here. NASDAQ sweeping down back into the range highs. Okay, holding here. We'll see if it does hold. NASDAQ rotation down. Solana's pushing. And Solana took the low. Oh, I kind of missed that this morning. Okay. Interesting. Can it push? I got the blind open here. 1 second. I can't even reach this. Who put this up here? Was this you? I'm too short to reach this. I got to climb on the desk to reach the top of the window. I can't even reach this. Oh. Fucking hell. I'm not that tall, eh, wife? I was just talking about how hot you were to everyone, and now you fucked me up. Here. I'm on the fucking table right now. Ah, my back. She put the blind all the way to the top of the window. I can't reach it, man. I'm legit that short, okay? I could if there's a desk in the way, so I can't get to the... Anyways. You just witnessed my... You guys witnessed my my hobbitness right now, guys. Whenever I need something out of the top shelf, I ask my wife to get it. Yeah, this is fucking true, okay? This is true. I climbed. I used to have this thing, okay? So I used to have this thing as a carpenter. So whenever I was doing doors all day, so door jams, 96, I mean, 80, 81, 81, 82 doors, right? For me, when I'm casing out a door, this top piece of trim is so hard for me to put on, right? Like having that top piece of trim, doing the casing, okay? For me, I'm like right here, okay? I can swing the door because for me, I'm pretty short. So for me, I can swing the door because, I mean, 7-11, right? 7-11, 7 inches down, 11 inches up. Okay, that's your hinges. Okay, 7-11. I got a little bit of play with the hinges, so I can swing the door pretty good. It's hard for me to see the top is level, so I just check the bottom. But I used to have this thing when I was doing doors. If I had to do like doors all day, so I'm doing like whatever 30 doors a day. I had this thing on my boot. So if this is my shoe here, guys, if this is my shoe here, I'm horrible drawing right now. Okay, right, and this is my boot. Okay, so we had our laces all the way down here. I had this block here that it was like a 4x4. Okay, so I had a 4x4 on the side of my boot. Right, here's my dimensional lumber, and I had a what the hell are they called? Bungee cord. A bungee cord. So what I would do is I would take this thing and I would rotate it up onto here and I'd bungee cord it and then I could step on it, right? So I get an extra like 3.5 inches, right? So it would be on the side of my leg. I'd unstrap it. It would come back down. I would step on it, and then I get 3.5 inches taller so I could like trim the door out. Otherwise, I'm carrying a ladder all day long, and that was my solution. It worked really well, actually. It's hard for me to explain it, but it worked. It worked. And work boots even gave me like these. I wear these running shoes, guys. I don't know about you guys, but these are the Nike Elevates. We are sponsored. Okay, these are my regular. I mean, I'm 5'7" in these. All right, don't hate. These are the Nike Elevates. Nike, if you're listening, let's do it, man. Let's do it, man. I'm ready. I'm ready. There's that aggressive dump we were talking about earlier, guys, coming into market open. I ain't got no shame. Everybody who misses No, he's doing well. No's doing well. If you missed my No, Sky High, he's doing well. He's in the cowboy hat eating pastries, guys. He's been doing well. God bless No. Sky High, baby. See some No-nos in the chat. I don't see any No-nos. What time's market open? We got 3 minutes here. Down we go. Nasdaq bouncing off of the highs, retesting. Bitcoin rotation down. Sheesh. Coming into market open, 3 minutes. Thank you everybody for being here. Thank you, Trenchy. Best alt to buy right now? I'm a Solana maxi, so I'm going to say Solana. It's never financial advice. Damn. Good morning, market open. Coming into market open, dumping here. Down we go. Still no trade. Not really telling here, guys. Very aggressive. Like all of that waiting from VWAP slap, now giving all back, right? Like I said, aggressive dump. What do we get? Aggressive dump, right? So failing to push. Down we go. Aggressive move through VWAP. Retest. I'm in. I'm in for that. If we get one of these, boop, I'm down. I'm down to short it. We'll see. Thank you everybody for being on the live, hanging out. We're gonna do the giveaway today as well. Nothing burger of a day. Consolidation down here is good in my opinion. I agree. If it's a flat day, it's always good. Going into data on Friday. So if we get a couple flat days in range bound, I like range bound trading. It's very simple. Keep it simple. Good risk management. Lower your position size. Give yourself a little bit more wiggle room. Right? When you're range bound trading like this, right? It doesn't really matter as long as you can define the range and you can practice good risk management. You can do well. There's lots of videos in the Discord on how to trade a range. But I know every Discord member has all watched all 150 videos and they've all invested in their future and they're ready to kick ass and be profitable. Correct? Yeah, I know you guys got it. We don't need a lot of movement to make a lot of money, though. That's the key about scalping. We can take a little scalp and make a lot of money, which is always great, especially in bear market conditions. So happy days. We'll see where we get to. We got 10 seconds here coming into market open. We'll see where we gap for the SPY. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out here. We'll see where we get to. It's going to be a fun day. Let's go, baby. Gap down. SPY gap down. Potentially coming back for some liquidity here. Bitcoin. Dump, pump. Solana head and shoulders. Solana head and shoulders. Gotta come here. Dump and pump. Biddy, retest to previous lows, continuation down. Tesla, alert going off. Continuation. SPY down. Okay, SPY pushing back. Nice pushback for SPY. So far, so good. Bitcoin, push back. Push back. Hold VWAP or down through VWAP. NASDAQ pushing. Let's go, Nazi. Nazi Dazzy. Looking jazzy. Jazz fingers for NASDAQ. Flying. All-time highs, baby. Bitcoin dying. NASDAQ flying. What else is new? What else is new? Oil climbing. No, oil's rotation down. Not bad. Bitcoin, Doji engulfing. Continuation up here. Push Bitcoin. We got news at 10, guys. ISM. We've been chopping in a 0.5 range here. Retest of the lows. Continuation down. NASDAQ doesn't care. SPY pushing back here. SPY's looking good. 1 minute in. Nice candle. NASDAQ flying. Bitcoin lying. Okay, nice push for Bitcoin. Not bad for Solana either. Continuation up here. Trying to go. Bitcoin climbing as well. Coming into that volume resistance up top here. Could be a trap. NASDAQ. Taking the highs. Sweep of the highs. Bearish. Caution here. This could dump. Potential. SPY. Nice push for Bitcoin. Bids coming in. Looking good. Main target for Bitcoin is the liquidity of this high right now locally. And the liquidity of this low locally. Okay. There's that sweep on NASDAQ. SPY. Bitcoin coming up into that volume resistance right now. Beautiful candle back up. Probably the strongest bullish candle we've seen since this one back here. So nice push. Volume coming in here. NASDAQ halfway down the candle. Continuation here potentially. SPY. Consolidation. Bitcoin. Support and resistance flip. Trying to push. Looking okay. Thank you everybody for being here. 380 people here on the live stream. Thank you for being here. We'll do the giveaway today as well. That should be fun. Still no trade, guys. Not something that I really like. NASDAQ. There's that sweep and dump. Pretty aggressive here on NASDAQ. Biddy holding. Holding the middle of the range here, Biddy. Solana. Solana, my girl. You look ugly. Down you go. Drop. Drop it like it's hot. View up trying to hold up price action right now. NASDAQ. There's your sweep and dump. I mean, we should just trade NASDAQ, guys. What the? Really? Great call on the NASDAQ. I bet you futures traders come here to hear me talk about the NASDAQ. I think I got like a little crystal ball going on with the NASDAQ. Maybe we dedicate one day a week to trade in the NASDAQ. Can we trade the NASDAQ on Bitunix or no? I'm sure we can. There's got to be a way to trade it. Up 10% scalping this morning so far. Good job, trade newbie. Good to see you, man. Thank you for being here. Why are the alts pumping? We'll see. Good morning, Jeanette. Good to see you. Chop in the middle. Diddle in the middle. Failure to get above that volume resistance here. SPY trying to hold. NASDAQ. Oh, what a sweep and dump, man. What a sweep and go. Look at this. Coming back for these lows here. Jeez. SPY. Buy. SPY buy. Biddy hold. NASDAQ. Solana. Head and shoulders Solana. Lower. Bitcoin holding. Interesting. Chop in the same range, guys. Hasn't really gotten anywhere. Pump and dump. Halfway down the candle. Trying to hold VWAP. Trying to push out. Spoon feed. Trying to go. Spoons. Trying to go. I still think we need to come here. No trades. Still waiting. Damn. NASDAQian. NASDAQian going to zero. Okay, big rollover for the Nas. Thank you for being here, everybody. I mean, we might as well do the giveaway right now. This is taking forever. Are we just coming into ISM? Waiting here. We'll see if we come in here. What does Army Piper say today? Forecast is 53. Are we going to come above expectations or below expectations? Put a 1 for above, put a 2 for below expectations. 430 people here, only 160 likes, guys. I don't know what I got to do to get your approval. Your approval. Maybe I got to give you more money. I asked Bitunix for all the money they could possibly salvage to give to us. Okay. We're going to do the giveaway today. This needs to go lower in my opinion, but what's the saying? Every arsehole has an opinion? An opening? Something like that. We're just chopping in the middle of the range right now, guys. I need to see. I don't care. Just go somewhere. Low, high, middle. Just go somewhere. I don't care where you go. Just let us see. Show us your cards, man. Right now. Ones, twos. Ones, twos. Ones, twos. 3 for who cares. There we go. Are you scalping 3 minute? Yes. Those options stink. What's going on, V Monitor? Good to see you, bro. One Way, good to see you as well. I wouldn't do the giveaway on the live unless we hit 250 likes. Otherwise, I would do it in the Discord for the people who actually give a shit. Yeah, this is true. The Discord is family. We take care of them. That's why. Well, we were offered 7,000, and then we split it. So we gave 2,000 to the Discord members and then 5,000 to the live stream viewers. So always taking care of the people in the Discord, of course. That's fine. I don't need their likes. .5 range, easy scalps on the 1 minute. Yeah, until it isn't, right? I hear you. You're in here. Highs and lows, highs and lows. Not for me. This is so violent. Holy smokes. SPY looking frothy, man. Down we go. SPY's getting its ass whooped right now. Bitcoin flat. Let's do the giveaway, man. Let's do the giveaway because we got some time. I think we need to dump. I'm going to play the dump song. Are we going to go douche canoe? Let's do douche canoe. Go to the lottery, everybody. Here's the code for the lottery if you don't have it pulled up. $1,500 giveaway.
Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-bambi. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-bambi. Wait for the trade. All the gang. That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-bambi. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby-bambi. Douche canoe. Namby-bambi. Douche canoe. Namby-bambi. Douche canoe. Namby-bambi. Douche canoe.
Why isn't it working?
That's how the money is made. Don't be a douche canoe. Don't be a namby.
Says the draw hasn't started.
Don't be a namby.
All right, well, it's not letting me draw. It says it hasn't started yet. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. My rep's getting back to me right now. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Down we go. Rotation. Mm-hmm. Sweep of the low bounce potentially here. Solana down. NASDAQ dying. SPY's dying as well, guys. Whew. Any news on this or what? Holy. Down we go. Mm-hmm. Bounce. Bounce. Coming down for the low here. Lots of liquidity down here. We'll see. Orb is in now. We'll see where we get to. Mm-hmm. I think the draw is at 10 a.m. I can't do the draw until 15. I can't draw till 10 o'clock, guys. For the winners. That's all right. We wait. Down we go. SPY is dying. Guys, who killed the SPY? Damn, Daniel. Everything feels like a fake out. Any codes for subscribing to the Discord? Yeah, use the code vanilla. AlexOCrypto.com. We're doing like a summer sale thing. The big sale's on Black Friday, but we're doing the summer sale. 8 traders, 150 training videos, live streams, live trading, all the good stuff. Best Discord in all of crypto if you want to join. But you do you, man. I like our little small community. I wouldn't say it's small. It's a great community though, man. 8 traders, absolutely crushing it. Signals, setups, not financial advice, but heck, we print, man. It's pretty. I can't even keep up with it, so we're gonna do the draw at 10 o'clock, guys. Dumping. NASDAQ dumping. SPY is dumping. I don't know what's going on with this stock market, but it ain't looking pretty today. Down we go. Where it stops, only Dave Digital knows. Only Dave Digital knows. Yeesh. I should have shorted VWAP here. Taking the liquidity out of this low, coming into the order block here. You heard it here first, man. Bitcoin's going to zero. Okay, lows taken. SPY. Damn, man. This is nasty for the SPY. Solana hasn't come for this low yet. Bitcoin, orb, retest. VWAP in our face as well. My charts keep fucking up, man. Damn. This is very bad if the SPY's dumping this much. We got news in 12 minutes, everybody. Dump all around. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. 39K is on the way. What is the spoon signal on the indicator? That's divergences. Two. Took profits on the low. GG's. Good job, man. Great job, everybody. Retest to previous lows. Continuation down. No trade right now. Coming back. Engulfing candle pushback. Nasdaq bounce. SPY mini bounce. Bitcoin bounce. Resistance. Could be considering a short here. Potentially short. VWAP slap down. Nasdaq's got to keep going. SPY continuation down. Biddy trying to hold here. Considering a short here. Not yet. Still waiting. Bitcoin pushing back here. Nasdaq holding the lows. Solana. Retest our previous lows. Nice strong candle for Bitcoin here. Nice bounce back. Sweep of the lows. Bounce. Aggressive move through VWAP is typically bullish. Nasdaq trying to bounce. Coming into news data here, guys. Still no trade. Solana bounce. Solana. Bitcoin bounce. Pushing. Considering long on Solana. Retest our previous lows, continuation down here. Let's see if Bitcoin can hold VWAP. Can VWAP hold? Solana's got a push here. Looking for Solana to get back up into the highs here. It looks something like this. Still waiting here. News soon though. We got news in 8 minutes here. Nice bounce for the Nasdaq though. Nice bounce for the SPY. Bitcoin's got a hold VWAP here. Solana's got a hold as well. Bitcoin looks to be holding here. Still waiting. Nasdaq, pretty good recovery so far. SPY as well, still waiting. Thank you everybody for being here. 430 people here. See if we hold VWAP and push here. Looking good. Okay. Solana can reclaim here. We get long. Nasdaq pushing. And I'm considering a long. I think we're gonna get long here, guys. Let's give it a whirl. Quick little long scalp here. Just waiting. Bitcoin retest go. Retest go. Nasdaq retracement. SPY pushing. News or data in 5 minutes. Data, news, whatever you want to call it. You can call me data, okay? Still waiting here. I like it. Reclaim of the range. SFP of the low. Bounce on Bitcoin. Sweep and go. Continuation out. Top of orb. Coming for the liquidity of the high here. Nasdaq bouncing. Nasdaq's got to continue here. 1 minute Nasdaq. And SPY. I just don't want to get caught in this news data. Bitcoin's not holding yet. Still got to go here. This swept the low. This is sufficient enough to push price higher. Got to hold VWAP. Nasdaq failing to push here. SPY recovery? No. Still waiting. Three minutes till news. Still waiting here. Bitcoin, no sign of strength yet. No sign of strength yet. No trade. Was considering it. $420 people here. Bitcoin trying to hold VWAP here. Good candle on the way up here. Holding orb. Trying to hold VWAP. It's got to hold here, though. We know there's resistance up here as well. Lower for Solana. Solana sweep and go. News in 2 minutes. No trades. Still waiting. Bitcoin trying to hold VWAP here. NASDAQ rolling over. SPY rolling over. No bueno. No bueno. No good. No trade. Lower. Continuation down. Continuation down. We got support here for Biddy, but Solana looks bad. Can it go? Push. No push. No trade right now. 1 minute till news. I'm going to let it bake. Don't get in the way of it. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live here. We got the giveaway as well in 5 minutes or whatever. We'll do the giveaway. NASDAQ pushing back now. SPY pushing back. Bitcoin trying to hold and push back as well. Could be bullish. Could be. Could be. Should be. Not married to it yet. Nice pushback here on the VWAP. Holding VWAP. We got 20 seconds here. ISM, hot, cold, we'll see. Here we go. 5 seconds. News data coming out, hot and ready. 40. ISM coming in, 40 what? 53. NASDAQ. Doesn't care. SPY doesn't care. ISM coming in above expectations. So coming in above. ISM services coming up 54 or 53. Above what expected. Above expectations. No real reaction. Chop solidation here, guys. $54. So it's coming up. Non-manufacturing PMI in the United States increased to 54.5 points. Okay. There's a little sweep. I want Solana to take this low right here and then bounce. That's what I want. Bitcoin rolling over. NASDAQ flat. SPY bouncing, pushing up here. Bitcoin coming down here. No trade. Still waiting. Looking for a sweep on Solana. Can we get a sweep and go, or are we going to just keep rolling over here? We'll see. What does that mean? So services are up above expectations, which is good. Bitcoin coming down, lower orb. SPY, retracement. NASDAQ, retracement. Solana taking the low. Bitcoin trying to hold on to orb and VWAP right now. I want to see Solana take this low. We have swept here, but I would like to see it push. Still waiting. No strength in Solana here. Bitcoin rolling over. NASDAQ climbing. Interesting. No strength in Bitcoin. Looks like it's coming lower, guys. Solana lower. SPY climbing. NASDAQ climbing. Interesting. No push for Solana. Take the low and go. Take the low and go. That's what I'm looking for. No go. Very choppy. Do the giveaway shortly. Chop at the wop, man. Chop at the wop. No trade. Nas and SPY look good. Solana rolling over. Bitcoin rolling over as well. Little battle here. It ain't getting far though. Here comes Solana for that low. Can we get a reaction or no? Any reaction? Bitcoin losing VWAP. Lower. Nothing. Nothing. We can do the giveaway then. You need some music. Pump it. Let's go, Otter. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go. 500.
Push it up.
Cha at AOL. GG's.
Web slap.
Let's go. Congratulations.
Off the floor. Ray Orbison.
Congratulations on your 500. Cha.
Click buttons. Make money. Click buttons. Make money. Make money. Don't top blast. Don't top blast. Take the money and run. Pay yourself fast. Don't top blast.
Bruh. Congratulations, bruh.
Pay yourself fast.
Congratulations, bruh. What's the market doing? Oh, pump it.
Don't be a nasty.
The song is working.
Push it up. Better sit low when the chips low. Pocket fat, watch your wallet grow. Fit the party like a disco. Stay true to the digital. Stay true to the digital. Yeah. Get to the chopper.
Last but not least,
Chopper. Who is your daddy and what does he do? Get to the chopper. Get to the chopper. Who is your daddy and what does he do? Right, pump it.
considering a long here. Yeah, let's get long. I'm long.
Pump it.
Push. Nadeem. Let's go, Nadeem. Congratulations.
Make it quick on us again. All the gang, gang, gang.
Let's get long here. Not yet. Nasdaq push. Yeah. SPY push. Yeah. Bitcoin, go. Come on, Bitcoin. Go, baby. Pull up Solana. Go, Bitcoin. Push. Man, it's forcing trades out here. Come on, baby. I'll bring the stop to entry here. Oh, come on. Don't be doing that to me now. Don't be a dick for a tick, AlexOCrypto. Up 300. Push Solana. Taking that liquidity out of the low and then an aggressive bullish candle. Retest. Continuation out. That's nasty. All right. That's okay. Quick 300. It's choppy today, guys. Holy smokes. Am I going to regret it? That's the question. Equal lows. GG's in the chat. Quick 300. I like the long here. I do like it. Am I married to it, though? That's the question. Nasdaq continuation up. SPY recovering. Hard to tell, man. Hard to tell. One trade here, guys. Don't want to force it here. That's enough out of me today. Discord live later on this afternoon. Looking forward to that. We'll do some more live trading and some review and some lessons. Should be fun. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Congratulations to those who won. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel and hanging out here. God bless you. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Trade safe. And I will see you guys in the Discord or tomorrow. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame, with a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the